Hey brother, I'm Stuart Matola, men's relationship coach, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to rebuild your marriage. In order to decide if this is worth watching, notice if you answer yes to any of these questions. Do you experience the same conflict, the same arguments with your wife or partner that seem to go nowhere? Do you feel like you're never enough for her and it's just getting a barrage of complaints and sometimes even character assassinations on you? And then third, do you experience a sense of like, I don't know if I can save this thing, and you're kind of thinking about throwing in the towel? If you answered yes to any of those, you'll want to hang out because I'm going to give you some tools and tips to help you understand those dynamics and how to get out of them. So I want to give you 3 patterns up front that I see so common in the guys that I coach and the guys that I talk with, okay? Number 1 is the withdrawal. They withdraw or retreat. Things get hard. They're like, I can't deal with this. I'm out of here. Number 2 is he gets into a pattern where he gets really logical. He's trying to follow the logic and he's like, you said this yesterday and today you're saying this, okay? And number 3 is the guy who just blows up. He gets aggressive, he fights back, and afterwards he regrets it. So now what all these 3 things have in common is you're betraying her need for safety. So when you retreat or withdraw, you're disappearing. You're showing yourself to not be a reliable man when things get difficult. That causes her to distrust you and not feel safe around you. Now, if you're staying in the zone of logic and you're trying to pin her down, like I said before, you said this yesterday, today you're saying this, how am I supposed to follow you? Well, now you're betraying her sense of emotional safety because it's not really just about the logic. She just wants to be heard, seen, and validated and listened to. And you're staying in your mind because that's your safe zone, okay? And on the 3rd level of aggression and attacking and coming back with hostility, of course, that betrays her sense of safety as well. Now, I often talk in my videos about pivot on you instead of her, and I'm going to bring that to the front right now in the sense that you retreat or withdraw, or you get logical, or you get hostile, because that's where you can find safety. So I want to separate the intention from the strategy. Okay, let's call out the good intention of you trying to get safe with the bad strategy of withdrawing, staying in your head, or just attacking your partner. Okay, so if we call out the desire for safety for you, hell yeah, you want to get safe within yourself. And that's going to be the key for you to provide safety for your partner. Because if you're not feeling safe within yourself, you can't provide that for her. You're not stable. You don't feel that strong backbone. You don't feel that sense of confidence. You don't feel that sense of, I can handle this. Okay, so how can you create that safety for you so that you can give your partner what she needs and what she's relying on you as a man of strength, courage, the ability to hang in there for hard conversations, and the ability to stay strong when things get a bit crazy. So I'm going to give you a headline on how you can do that, but I want to be clear. A lot of guys are seeking information, and at the end of the day, the thing that moves the needle in your relationship is action. Okay, so just know this is skimming the surface. So first, I want you to pause. Okay, just take a pause, take a breath. Notice what's happening to you. Okay, oh, there's a part of me that just wants to run away again. Well, I know the instinct's good for protection, but I know that the actual strategy of running away or retreating or withdrawing doesn't build safety for her. Okay, so I pause. Next, I self-regulate. Self-regulate means I get myself safe. It might be as simple as like, I'm okay. She's freaking out. I'm okay. She's having the challenge, okay? Third, I draw a boundary, okay? A quick boundary, energetic. I don't allow everything to come in. I keep myself safe, okay? And I might even draw a boundary with her and say, sweetie, things are getting escalated. I'd like us to just take a pause here. We'll come back in 10 minutes. Okay, that's called a simple timeout. That's creating a boundary. Or it might be, sweetie, when you talk to me that way, you lose me. And I want to stay connected to you because my higher vision is for us to be an awesome couple that can navigate conflict and really build trust. And then 4th, you get relational. Okay? You get curious about her. Ask her what she wants. You ask her what she needs. Ask her what her request is instead of her complaint of you. Okay? So this is just a headline on these 4 steps. Okay? If you'd like to learn more about how to implement them for you personally and put them into action, because like I said before, it's about action that's going to move the needle. It's not just information. Please check out the links to my work below. Appreciate you checking this out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope it was helpful, and have a kick-ass day. Bye.